Sai Ram. Now we are going to move on to the next session of some applications of trigonometry. In that previous session we saw very simple problems. Is it right? So where and all simply we can apply it. Now it is just little bit upgraded and we are going to move on to the next level. So that in this we are going to check for each and every word of the given question, and they are not going to give particularly this is the angle of here, this is the angle, they will never give. You have to understand yourself and do it. Okay, let us try it. So in this first sum, angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So here two objects are there. So previously there will be only one. So it is very easy for us to do. Now we are having two things. One is building. Also another one is tower. Okay. Now we have a confusion. Are they both in same height? Or building is bigger or tower is bigger? That questions will come to us. It must come. Then only you are concentrating on the problem. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30. So let us draw bluntly that one tower. This is a tower and this is a building. Okay. So now what they are telling? Top of the building from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower, top of the building is 30 degrees. Okay, next one. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. Top of the tower, foot of the building. 60 degrees. Now, just go and stand near a fan or light, whatever it is, or you just come out of your house and look at the top of your just look at the door. Just look at the door level. Then look at the top level of your, if you have a first floor or second floor, look at the first floor. So you can understand that when you are looking at the door, top of the door, you are just moving little bit. When you are looking little bit more above the first floor, you are moving more. You are moving your head little bit more. Is it right? That means the object which have less height, angle will be less. The object which have more height, the angle will be more. Do you understand that? So by that we have to do here. So for 30 degree, I am just moving a little bit movement of my head. So that is why the height of the building will be lesser than the height of the tower. I think now you understand who is bigger, who is smaller and all. Now the question is gone. So here each and every word is very important. Read it clearly. We have drawn a diagram. Next thing what we have to give the name for that. Whatever name you want, you can give your name also, you can give for everything. Then last what we have to find, if the tower is 50 meter high. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So now there is no connection between the tower and the building, but they have given the height of the tower and we have to find the height of the building. How? The thing is, both are connected with the ground level, right? Both are connected with the ground level. If this is my opposite side, I can find the adjacent here, right? If this is my adjacent side, according to that I can find the opposite here, right? The same thing. After drawing that figure, what you have to do, who and who are related, how I am going to find the answer? That must be the next question. So first thing is we have to draw the figure correctly. That means angles, measurements, who is bigger, who is smaller, that and all perfectly we have to make it. Then we have to see who and who are related, how I can solve it. Okay. Let's move on to the sum. So the tower and the building. From the foot of the tower to the building is 30 degree. From the foot of the building to the tower is 60 degrees. And we have given the name as building AB and the tower DC. Given it is tower is 50 meters height and the angle from the tower to the building is 30 degree. That means ACB is 30 degree and DBC is 60 degree. This is and all given part. ACB is 30 degree and elevation to the tower is 60 degree. Okay. Now let us solve the sum. Here they have given the according to 50 which angle I have to take, 30 or 60? 60 I have to take because opposite to 50 who is there? 60. So I have to take the triangle DBC. Why I should not take the triangle ABC first? Because if I take the angle ABC, I don't have any values here. Both AB I don't know, BC also I don't know. Right? AB also I don't know, BC also I don't know. So what I have to do? From where I know, from that part I have to start. So I know a value 50 meters in the triangle DBC. So in triangle DBC, what I have, DC is my opposite side and BC is my adjacent side. Who is the one relating opposite and adjacent? Tan. So tan 60 is equal to DC by BC. Right? So what is tan 60 now? Again the tabular column, everything. Don't do that. Memorize it. It is root 3 which is equal to DC 50 by BC. Cross multiply it. BC is equal to 50 by root 3. Okay. Now let us take the next one. Here we got BC is equal to 50 by root 3. Right. Next one. Let us take the triangle. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the angle it is given as 30 and the opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. The person who is relating adjacent and the opposite is tan. Tan 30 is equal to AB by BC. Okay. Now what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Be clear in that. These two are the main thing you are going to use. Root 3, 1 by root 3. Be clear to who you have to put for 1 by root 3 and to who you have to put root 3. So here it is AB by 50 by root 3. Now if I do my cross multiplication, what it will become? 50 by root 3 by root 3 which is equal to AB. Now root 3 is the denominator, here also denominator. So the denominator gets same place. 50 by root 3 into root 3 which is equal to AB. So it is 50 by 3 which is equal to AB. So the height of the building is 50 by 3. Okay. So whether it is correct or not, how to find? We can see the tower is 50, then the building should be lesser than 50 only. That's all. Correct? I think you understood this. Just draw the figures correctly, put the angles correctly. Calculation is very easy. So that is what here we have given in words. 50 by root 3. Shall we move on to the next sum? This one. Here, two poles of equal heights. So previous, we don't know what is the height, they didn't told. But here they have given two poles of equal heights. Two poles of equal heights. Whenever you are doing the sum, please understand the important words which you have to concentrate on. Are standing opposite each other on the either side of the road. Right? We can see that on the national highways, the poles, light poles, right? Which is 80 meter wide. So the distance between the two poles, is 80 meter. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles is 60 and 30. So they didn't told from where to where that and all. Stand somewhere and look both the towers. both the poles. So one pole you are going to see with 30 degree and another pole you are going to see with 60 degree. Now you have to remember where I have to stand. 60 degree means I am standing near the pole, is it right? 30 degree means I am standing distance. How? Now you go to the tube light or anywhere in your house, you just go near to the wall and the light, you just look at the light. You have to move your head too much, right? That means the distance between the tube light and the person who is standing, it's very near. So you have to make a big angle, right? Now if you move little bit, your angle will less, right? You can check it practically also. So one is 60, another one is 30. It's not a big thing that you don't have to, this is not all important thing. If we draw very wrong, little bit mistake means that is not a mistake. But if the drawing is wrong, then what the person who will think, the person who is correcting, what he will think? Okay, the boy didn't know. Like that they will think, right? So we should not give any point to the person who is correcting the paper like that. So now they have given 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree. The first thing what we have to do, give the names. Give names. Find the height of the poles. They are asking to find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from where the person is standing. That is what we have to find. So let us see the sum. So given two poles are there. Two poles are there, A, B and DC. A person is standing at a point, and what he is doing, he is looking at the poles with 60 degree and 30 degree. Okay. So while draw it correctly. The distance between the two poles are 80 meters. That is what they have given, and also they have mentioned that both the poles are equal. That means AB is equal to DC. That is very important one. Keep it in mind. Okay. So let us solve the sum. How to solve? Take the two triangles separately. In triangle ABP and in triangle DPC. Okay. So here ABP 60 degree. I want to relate BP and AB. Right? Who is the person relating both? Tan 60 is equal to AB by BP. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB by BP. So cross multiply it. Root 3 BP is equal to AB. Now here in this DPC I have tan 30 is equal to DC by CP. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to DC by CP. Cross multiply it. CP by root 3 is equal to DC. In the question they have given AB and CD are equal. So what we can do? Compare both. Now by comparing both, what I will get? AB is equal to CD. So here it is root 3 BP and it is CP by root 3. Cross multiply root 3 into root 3, it becomes 3BP is equal to CP. So what they are telling? CP is equal to 3BP. So if I have this is X, this is 3X. So it is X plus 3X is equal to 80. So 4X is equal to 80. So my X is equal to 80 by 4, 20. So this is 20 and the balance is 60. So easily you can get the answer. I am telling again, just separate the triangles, apply the values, then compare. Why I am comparing? Because they have given AB is equal to CD. So I am comparing, I am getting the value as 3BP is equal to CP. If I keep BP as X and CP as 3X, I will get the value X as 20 and CP value is 60. Okay. That is what we have cleared here, given here. BP is equal to 20 and PC is 60. Right. So in that they have, in the first triangle we separated, in that we have the value as CD is equal to root 3 BP. So just apply the BP value, you will get that answer. So just here, just you get the answer as it is. First separate the diagram, write it separately, apply the values, get the answer, just substitute it, we will get the answers. So the distance of the poles is 20 and 60. Height of the poles is 20 root 3. I think you are clear with this sum. Let us move on to the next. This is little bit looking tough, but it is very easy only. Nothing. Whenever we used to fly kite, is it right? So for our kite will be in this place. That means from the ground level, my height is also there. If I have to find the height of the kite, means I have to subtract my height. Is it right? A kite, I am standing here, my height is also there, kite's height. So my thread will be like this. Is it right? So I have to subtract this distance. Then I can have that right angled triangle, right? The same thing we are going to apply here also. Just whatever we did in our own life, that is what given as a sum. Just bring that sum and put it in a mathematical way, get the answer easily. A 1.2 meter tall girl, that means the height of the girl is given 1.2 meter girl, spots a balloon moving with the wind. So instead of kite, it is a balloon moving with the wind, horizontal line, it is not moving up. Vertical means up, horizontal line, underline that word. Where it is moving, it is not moving vertically, it is moving horizontally at the height of 88.2 meter from the ground. That means a girl is there, a balloon is here, it is moving. It is in the height of 88.2. The height of the girl is 1.2 and it is moving horizontally from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyesight of the girl. So girl's eye is not here, it is here. So from here only. So this is the level, ground level for that. So from here, the angle of elevation reduces to, it is 60. After some time it reduces to 30. They didn't give which way the balloon is moving. The balloon is moving here or far away from her. So is there anywhere they have given the balloon is moving towards the girl or moving away from the girl? They didn't give. They gave only the angle. Right? In the previous sum we saw, when the object is near, the angle will be more. When the object is far, the angle will be less. That means the balloon is near to the girl, then it is moving away from the girl, not moving towards to the girl. Right? So 60. First the balloon is near the girl, then it is moving away from the girl. The total is 60, ending is 30 degrees. So be careful with each and every word given in the sum. Find the distance travelled. So I have to find this distance. Okay, that is what I have to find. Here I can see clearly, I have two triangles. Two triangles, two diagram, put the value, answer over. Very easy. Just draw the figure correctly. So here a girl is standing, balloon is there, balloon is moving horizontally, and I know that now it is moving away from the girl at the angle 30 degree. At the last it is moving at the angle of 30 degree. First it was at 60 degree. So the total height 88.2. The girl's height is 1.2. Then what will be this height? That means from the level of the girl. So 88.2 minus 1.2, which is equal to 87. Right? So I have the height here as, so this part of height is, this part of height is 87. So I have one value. That means from my angle it is my opposite side. So what I want the adjacent side of one triangle. I want the adjacent side of ADC and AEB. I want the adjacent side. I have the opposite side. I want the adjacent side. Who is the one relating adjacent and opposite side? Tan. I have already given the names. Just directly start with the sum. We can clear it very easily. Please write the given perfectly. So whatever the given, it is given in the question itself. So there is no changes. Just write it. So now let us take the triangle AEB. In triangle AEB. In triangle AEB, we have EB is equal to 87. EB is equal to 87. And then the angle, total angle is 60. I want AB. Correct? AB is equal to what? Who is the person relating EB and AB? Tan. So tan 60 is equal to 87 by AB. Now let us move on to the next triangle. So in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, DC is equal to 87, AC I don't know, so keep it as it is. So 1030 is equal to 87 by AC. Now again, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3 is equal to 87 by AB. Cross multiply. AB is equal to 87 by root 3. Now here 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by AC. Cross multiply. AC is equal to 87 by root 3. Okay. Now I have AC is equal to 87 by root 3. Sorry, 87 root 3. 87 into root 3. Cross multiplication, 87 into root 3. 87 into root 3. So this part, this small part is 87 by root 3. So which part I want? This is the part the balloon moved, right? So if I subtract AC minus AB, I will get the answer. Is it right? I think you understood this part. Just draw the triangle separately, apply the values. You will get the up to here. AC is equal to 87 root 3. Now AC is equal to AB plus BC. BC is the part I want. So what I have to do? AB is equal to, AC is equal to AB plus BC, right? I want the BC part. So bring the AB this side. So AC minus AB is equal to BC. Now only I got AC is equal to 87 root 3. AB is equal to 87 by root 3. So it is 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3 is equal to BC. So 87 common, keep it outside. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to BC. So the next thing, we are going to do the rationalization only, simple part. First do the LCM. Root 3 minus 1 which is equal to BC. 87 2 by root 3 is equal to BC. So since root value is in denominator, we are not supposed to keep it. So rationalizing, we will get into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 which is equal to BC. So I will get 87 into 2 by 3 root 3 which is equal to BC. Cancel it, you will get 29. So it is 68 root 3 which is equal to BC. Let us see whether we did correctly or not. Okay, I think up to here we did it. After that, it is a 9th standard part. It's just a rationalization only. You can do it easily. So the next part is #58. It's multiplication mistake. So 29 into same thing. See, 87 to 2 root 3 there. Rationalizing, we get 87 into 2 by 3 root 3. Sorry for that mistake. It is not 68. It is 58. Okay. That's all. So the distance travelled by the balloon. So BC part, it is 58 root 3 meters. So root 3 meters means how can I find? Don't think that and all. Root 3, keep it as it is. That's all. Okay. You don't have to think too much about that root 3 values and all. The one thing we have to keep it in mind, we should never keep the root value in the denominator. That's all. For that we are doing the rationalization. So the next thing, assignment, it's very easy only. You can do it. But check for each and every word in the problem. Try it, we will see in the next session. I think you have learnt something in these sessions. So please try it. You will learn very easily. Thank you. Sai Ram.